In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my top tips for creating a big effortless blowout using the AIMIKE blowout brushes. After washing and hydrating the hair, I section the back zone, the side zones and the top. Using the medium size brush, I focus first on stretching and smoothing the hair. Then I direct the section up at 90 degrees to create volume in the root area. I then use the AIMIKE sectioning clips to set the section in place. This helps build, bounce and hold. And by taking the whole side section, I can work faster while still creating that big, soft, effortless shape. I like to start in the front. The longer I leave this area to set and cool, the better the result, and the more longevity you will get in the blowout. When I move into the top zone, I switch to my large AIMIKE brush. This lets me take even bigger sections, which helps build more body, height, and a softer finish through the top zone. I continue the same process here, directing the airflow down the hair to smooth and polish it first, before adding body, bend and shape, then setting the section in place. In the back zone, you'll notice I use 3 different brush sizes. This helps me to create variation through the blowout, so the result doesn't feel too uniform or overly set. At the bottom of the section, I use the large brush. As I work higher, I move into the medium sized brush, and then in the top, I use the smaller brush. What I like about these brushes is that the different size let me tailor the blowout to each area of the haircut. I'm not trying to force the whole shape with one brush. The smaller size gives me more control and detail where I need it, and the larger size helps to create a softer, bigger, more effortless movement. They also make it easier to work with larger sections, while still keeping the hair smooth and polished, which is what gives the blowout that full, modern, expensive looking finish. For me, that's what makes a blowout feel current. Still refined, but with softness, body and movement. What I like about these brushes is that they feel smooth and easy to control through the hair. They give me good tension and they help create a polished result with softness and bounce. This is my big, bouncy, effortless blowout. using no styling products, just the AIMIKE brushes and sectioning clips. If you liked this tutorial, you should watch this one next.